Turmeric Milk Tea Wonders. How to whiten your skin using turmeric milk tea. Turmeric has been around forever and has continued to be a common ingredient for skincare products. This age-old substance contains anti-inflammatory components and antioxidants that help treat various skin concerns, including pigmentation, acne and acne scars, sun damage, and early signs of aging. However, turmeric's benefits don't stop there. Did you know that you can whiten your skin using turmeric milk tea? This ingredient contains curcumin, an active component that delivers luster and glow to the skin, leading to a brighter complexion over time. So, are you eager to learn about turmeric milk tea wonders? Here's how to whiten your skin using turmeric milk tea. How to make turmeric milk tea. You need to process turmeric into the milk tea before applying it and expecting results. Ingredients: turmeric powder, cow milk. Steps to follow: mix equal quantities of water and cow milk and bring the mixture to a simmer. Then heat some ghee in a hot pan and pour in the turmeric powder. Ensure that the flame from the cooker is low. Allow the turmeric powder to cook for a couple of seconds until it's aromatic. Next, take the pan off the fire and sprinkle some cinnamon, nutmeg powders, and pepper. Mix the ingredients well with a spatula or by shaking the pan. Pour the hot water and milk mixture into the pan and boil lightly. Remove the pan from the heat and add a sweetener of your choice. Then, serve your turmeric milk tea immediately. However, it's best to serve it without sugar or jaggery to achieve maximum benefits from turmeric milk tea. You may use honey as your sweetener. How to apply turmeric milk tea for whitening your skin. The methods of using turmeric tea are basic. Here are the simple application options. 1. Drink hot turmeric milk tea. Unlike most skincare solutions that require you to rub them on your face to work, turmeric milk tea can work differently. When you drink the tea, it can work as a cleanser and clear your skin from within. 2. Wash your way with turmeric milk tea. An alternative way to apply turmeric milk tea is to wash your face with the mixture. Apply the tea to your face and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then rinse it off and moisturize. This method can clear your skin from the outside. Use these application methods to whiten your skin with turmeric milk tea. Other benefits of turmeric milk tea. While the skin whitening ability of turmeric milk tea is not generally accepted, it offers other benefits for overall skin health. 1. Adds natural glow. Turmeric, or haldi as it is known in India, is a common feature in most Indian weddings. It is used to add some natural glow to the celebrant's skin on their big day. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants give luster to the skin, bringing out its natural glow. 2. Treats acne breakouts. Turmeric's active component, curcumin, has effective antioxidant properties that can combat acne vulgaris. The anti-inflammatory agents also help to reduce skin inflammation and ultimately heal the skin. 3. Limits skin aging. Skin exposure to UV rays interferes with the skin's natural oil balance, causing the skin to start losing elasticity, which presents aging signs such as age spots, wrinkles, etc. Curcumin, high in antioxidants, increases collagen production and strengthens skin elasticity, slowing skin aging. 4. Moisturize dry skin. Dry skin is a common scenario in winter. It can make your skin look dehydrated and dull. Turmeric milk tea can hydrate and moisturize your skin. In conclusion, some believe that turmeric can reduce the body's melanin, the pigment that gives skin its color, and lighten the skin tone. However, there's not enough evidence to confirm this effect. Also, cow milk contains lactic acid, a mild exfoliant that can eliminate dead skin cells and reveal brighter skin. Therefore, turmeric milk tea has some benefits for the skin, including whitening, but it's not a proven method. Nevertheless, using turmeric milk tea to whiten or treat your skin is generally safe. Consult a dermatologist for professional advice if you have any concerns about your skin color. Following are references we use to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.